Good afternoon to everyone. I am Venela, lecturer in computer science. So, already we have discussed about the RDBMS, HTML, DHTML, and RDBMS, DBMS, etc. etc. So, next I came with the new topic that is nothing but the inheritance. So, inheritance in the Java. So, this inheritance we can also use in the OOPS concept in C++. So, OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming structure. So, in inheritance, why we are going to be using the Java? So, this one we can use in the C++ also. There, inheritance having the 5 types. There, all the 5 types we are going to be using the OOPS concept, but in the Java, only 3 types only we are going to be using. Other 2 types is using, it is not going to be support the Java, but by using the interfaces we can support the Java. Next, coming to the Java. So, what is Java? Java is nothing but one type of a programming language. It is also used for the web applications and network centric. It is using, and it is developed by the Sun Microsystem in the 1995 James Gosling. So, now we came to the inheritance. Inheritance in the Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. So, you got one doubt. What is the properties and what is an reuse the fields and methods of an existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous class. For example, in the child class, I am not going to be directly create the class. So whatever the parent class we are having, that we have to exist that, and we can create the new class in the subclass. That is nothing but the reusable. Then next, it is the syntax of the Java inheritance. Look at here, we are having the class here. Class is in a subclass name extends. So in the inheritance in the Java, we are going to be use the keyword nothing but the extends keyword, that is in a superclass. So subclass, for example, look at here, methods and fields. The extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. For example, parent to child, we are having one relationship. So we are existing the things whatever having in the parent. So like that, if we want to get the existing details means, there we have to use the extends keyword. Like example is an class B extends the class A. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherited is called as a parent class or a superclass, and the new class is also called as a child or subclass. So Java inheritance example, look at here. Here we are taking an example employer. So an employee having the salary. Here we can use the different data types like an integer, character, float, double. So integer, for the integer, whatever the 0 to infinity, we can use the 0 to 9. We can use the integers. Characters means A to Z. Float means like a decimal point. So in the salary, we can take as a float or integer. So here we are taking as a float, and is a relationship I am using here. So the programmer bonus int. So whatever already the employee getting the salary, now I am providing the bonus. The bonus data type is nothing but as an integer. Here I am taking. Look at here we are having one example. What is the name of class here is nothing but employee, and floor salary 40,000, and class programmer extends the employee. So look at here, this is a class. The name of this is a B subclass, and extends the class employee. This is a subclass. This is a parent class. Into bonus equal to 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Public static. This is a main method. PSVM, public static void main string args. This is a main method. Here we are creating one object, that is nothing but the programmer P equal to new programmer. Object I am creating. So object when we are going to be create means that is in the constructor. So system.out.println programmer salary is plus P dot salary. So here I am creating one object that is nothing but the one bonus. So already whatever the programmer having the salary, with that bonus we are providing. So system.out.println bonus of programmer is the P dot bonus. Finally, he is getting the 40,000 the salary, and 10,000 is the bonus. Totally he is getting the 50,000. So here we are having the types of inheritance in the Java. On the basis of the class, there can be three types of the inheritance in the Java: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and a hierarchical inheritance. So in the Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through the interface only. We will learn about the interface later. So look at here, in the OOPS concept, that is in the programming in C++, we can use all the inheritances. How many types of inheritance? the class B extends the class A.